Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you the demo of Digital Ultrasound Therapy Unit 1 MHz by acco. Switch on the machine. Attach handle and wire. These are the two buttons for the timer. Timer up, timer down. From here you can select the mode, continuous or pulse. Now we will show you the water test. To check the machine, we will put some water on the handle. We will increase the intensity. It is working on continuous mode. Now it is working on pulse mode, 1:1. After the treatment is completed, put the knob at 0. Switch off the machine. After the treatment is complete, clean and dry your handle properly for the long lasting use. You can also buy this machine online at medicalbazzar.com. The link is given below in the description.